Welcome to this guided meditation. Today we focus on becoming present. This will help you in your daily life to be more focused, using less energy. Find a comfortable position to rest. Sitting in a chair or in classic meditation pose is good. Lying down on your back is also okay, as long as you are not inclined to fall asleep in this position. After I describe each action to take, I will pause for about 10 seconds so that you have time to do it. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Afterwards, return to breathing in your most comfortable way. Beginning with the top of your head and working your way down to the soles of your feet, over the next 10 seconds, feel the physical sensations along your body. Focus on how your body feels against any surface it touches. Simply focus on the feeling without labeling the surfaces or the parts of your own body as you progress. Next, beginning at the soles of your feet, notice any tension or relaxation in your body. Scan your body all the way up to the top of your head. When you notice tension, do not judge or try to change it. Simply observe. Now, listen to any sounds you can hear. It is natural for most of us to mentally label a sound when we become aware of it. Try to just listen to the sound itself, without thinking about what has caused it. Do this for a few seconds for each of the sounds you can hear, including your own breathing. Next, pay attention to any smells you can detect. They may be subtle. Enjoy them for what they are, without labeling them. The sense of calm focus you may have felt in the last minute or so is what is known as presence. This is what people strive for in their practice of meditation. The exercises you have been doing a moment ago can help you to be this presence with only little effort. Don't worry if you did not feel presence. If you return to this meditation regularly, you will begin to feel it, to be it. For the remainder of this session, we will focus on the breath. This can be difficult at first because your mind will want to think about other things. That's okay. When you notice your mind has turned elsewhere, simply observe it, and then gently return the focus to your breathing. It helps to count to 10 and restart each time at 1. So, for example, 1 on the in-breath, 2 on the out-breath, 3 on the in-breath, out 4, in 5, out 6, and so on up to 10, and then beginning again at 1 on the in-breath. Do this only for as long as you are comfortable. Do not fear if you find this difficult at first. You will improve with practice. Thank you for listening.